Hello and welcome to day 2 of my 25 days of Christmas. So we'll start this look off by priming my eyes with the Beeluxury base in 0.5, and I then go into the brand new Colourpop Truly Madly Deeply palette. This is such a gorgeous palette, and I use the shade called Poodle for my first shade, and I put this all over the lid. I blend this really far into the inner corner and also blend it really far on the outer corner as well into a bit of a wing. I then use the shade called Blossom and apply this to the inner corner of my eye for a little bit of a highlight. Then I apply Misty onto my lid. This is a really gorgeous metallic-y pink shade. I apply this all over my lid and actually blend it up a little bit into the crease as well. To really make this sparkle, I use the glitter called Indigo, and I start to loosely place this all over my lid, in my crease, and just all over the eye area so far. I also place it quite sparingly into the wing as well. I don't want it to be really chunky glitter. I want it to look really fairy and angel-like. So for the eyeliner, I use the Fenty Beauty Vivid eyeliner in the shade Wet T-shirt. As always, I used this yesterday as well. So I first create a normal kind of winged eyeliner, but then I add an extra tail to the end of it. I also add a bit of a point to the inner corner of the eye as well. Moving on to the base makeup, I get the Colourpop No Filter Concealer and apply this under my eyes. And then for the rest of my face, I use the Soul Shimmering Dry Oil in Pink Champagne. And I use this to put on my face as it really made my makeup so glowy from within, which is the perfect look for an angel. I then go into the e.l.f. Cosmetics contour palette and start to contour my face. And for blush, I use the Makeup and Murder Crime Scene Trace Evidence eyeshadow palette, and this palette is Volume 1 Paint Chips. I used a shade in that called Bedroom, which is this really bright pink, and I start to place this all over my cheeks and into my contour. I also add a little bit to the end of my nose and a tiny bit on my forehead as well. I didn't get it on camera, but I also applied some of this eyeshadow around my cupid's bow as well. For highlight, I use the Ofra Nikki Tutorials collab highlighter in the shade Cloud 9, and I practically applied this all over my face. I put it on my cheeks, like the apples of my cheeks, my cheekbones, my nose, around my cupid's bow, a bit on my forehead, on my chin, on my lips, pretty much everywhere. I'm a very glowy, cute angel, so that's what I wanted to bring across. I filled in my brows with a pink face paint by Snazzaroo. Then I get a white face paint by Snazzaroo and start to finish off my eyeliner. So what I wanted this to look like is angel wings. I did see a picture on Pinterest of someone that had done this. I tried so hard to find the original source, but I couldn't. So if anyone knows, please let me know in the comments and I'll add them in the description as inspiration. So underneath the original eyeliner that we had already painted on, I use the white face paint and start to paint on the angel wings underneath. I do also go over the top of this with the original eyeliner that I used by Fenty, just to make it really bright and white. For my lips, I used the Colourpop Lippy Sticks in the shade Westie, and then I went over the top of that with the Colourpop Frozen 2 Collab Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade Mythic Journey. Then using the Colourpop Wish Me Luck Glittery Obsessed Body Glitter, I started to place this all over the areas of my face that I have applied highlighter. So the end of my nose, my cheek, my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, my chin, everywhere that is already been highlighted, just so it really reflects and looks really glittery and just really cute and pretty. I also applied these eyelashes by Eldora, and they're in the style B801. I really hope you like the set of this look. I made 3 clouds and I also got these angel wings and just tried to create a little bit of a set. That is something that I'm aiming to try and do in the new year. I just want to get a bit more creative with the set design to create a bit of a story to my looks. I also applied some body glitter on the Soul Shimmer Oil that I used earlier, as well as the Glitterly Obsessed and the Ofra highlighter I applied on my shoulders and collarbones as well. Let me know what you think about this look in the comments down below. If you like it, make sure to press the like button because it really helps me out. And this is day 2 of my 25 days of Christmas. If you are liking it and want to see more and you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so you do not miss any more of my Christmas looks coming this December. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok, as I'll be doing my 25 days over on there as well. On both of them, my name is at Brooke.Ellis_. It is linked in the description down below, along with some discount codes for you if you are interested. I have a Colourpop discount code, Makeup and Murder discount code, Eldora False Lashes, Morphe. I have TTDI contact lenses. I have a few down there, so if you are interested, especially as Christmas is coming up soon, maybe getting gifts for other people or just treating yourself, you can use them codes down there if you want. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.